Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw something that no one has probably seen, and that is a new creation by some of my students, and this little character is called Lil Bean. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video on this new and fun little character. Now to start off with Lil Bean, we're going to begin with the body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve around like this. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it up. It's going to come down and up like this. Next, I'm going to bring the body. It's going to go up and it's going to come down like a little bean shape. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then right here along the side, I'm going to make another circle for another eye. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down and another line that comes down for the eyebrows. I'm also going to put a little dot inside each one for the pupils. I'm going to make a little line right across for the mouth. Now up here we want to add the wings. So I'm going to begin by making a line that goes up. It's going to come to a point and it's going to go out and back down. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up, bring it to a point, and we're going to bring it right down to this wing. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes up here. And we're going to make a little line that comes up here for the wings. Now, over on this side of Lil Bean, we're going to add the tail. And Lil Bean has a fluffy tail. So I'm going to begin by making a few little bumps on here, just to kind of make it look a little kind of bumpy and fuzzy. Now I want to add the legs on here, and Lil Bean has about 12 legs. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to just draw two little lines here. So we have 2 legs. We're going to make 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and 11 and 12 little legs for Lil Bean. And there you go. There is your drawing of Lil Bean. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.